beautiful is this window box bead mix from Jesse James Beads. This is their crystal one. You can get it online or at your local Walmart. So you have some really pretty silver beads up here. Look at how pretty that is. The rondelles and the bead caps, and then down here we got some really fun crackled beads. Those are a new one. And then these silver looking beads. And the faceted crystal there. And then we got some nice, really pretty findings in here. Some different ones, different shapes. Some square crystal. Look at that. How pretty is that? What's this down here? Well, that's pretty. Little dangle. And then a bunch of crystal up here. They got these fun flower beads and different shapes of crystals. Look at all this funness. Very fun. Very pretty. You can join me Friday and play with this during our live. Alright, have a great week.